Let us see what was the question given here. If you look into the problem clearly, if y is, what is this y? Let me show you. If we have a y, which is nothing but x square minus 1 whole power m. Okay, some m is some number. Agree? So then we need to find the 2mth power, 2mth differential coefficient. What is meant by 2mth differential coefficients? I'll help you. So let us assume if I have y is equals to x square. What is the second differential coefficient? Second differential coefficient means we need to apply the 2 times derivative. So y dash will be 2x and y double dash, second differential. Is it okay? They are talking about 2mth differential. Are you getting? If they ask about fifth differential, what is the meaning here? We need to differentiate 5 times. If they ask you 10 differential means we need to differentiate this function 10 times. Agree? So second differential means we need to differentiate 2 times. Is it fine? So that the coefficient you want, if you apply that many differentials, that many times if you differentiate, finally what will be the term you are getting? Their coefficient they are asking. Is it okay? Yes. So actually this is if you do directly, it will be little bit lengthy and difficult only. I'll switch to the easiest way. If you look into the problem, I get one idea. What is that? We have a expansion. What is that expansion? X minus 1 whole power of n expansion. What is this? So this is nothing but n c 0 I can take. Is it okay? Yeah. Sorry, this is x power of n minus, alternatively plus minus should be there, and this will be nc1 x power of n minus 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2. Agree? Mali again minus nc3 x power n minus 3 plus on so on. What will be the last term? Minus 1 whole power of n into ncn y power of n. Is it okay? Sorry, there is no y. Simply x power 0 will be getting here. Is it okay? Yes. So any doubts up to here? The same expansion I'll be applying here, or you can take x power 0, which is 1. Okay? Yes. So now let us assume what we are having, x square minus 1 whole power of m. Let me zoom out. Actually, it will take time, but try to adjust. This is x square minus 1 whole power m expansion here. So what is this? This is nothing but here in place of n, we are having m. So mc0. So here in place of an x, we are having x square. Is it okay? So this is x square whole power m minus mc1 x square whole power what? Next term will be 1 decrease, that is m minus 1. Next term will be mc2 x square whole power m minus 2. Agree? Plus on so on like that. Is it fine? So no need to worry about the last term. Is it okay? Last term will be some constant you'll be getting. Are you getting my point? Yes. So now what they are talking about, if you, let me show you one thing here. Let us assume y is equals to x power 6. Let us assume. Okay. So what is the first derivative? First derivative will be 6 x power 5. Is it okay? And what is the second derivative? 6 5 is 30 x power 4 here. Is it okay? And what is the x triple dash derivative? 4 3 is 12. 120 x cube here. Is it okay? Yes. And what is the fourth derivative here? 12 3 is 36 and 60. This is x square. Is it okay? And what is the next derivative here? Fifth derivative, 36 into 2 will be what? 72. So this is 720 into x. And what is the sixth derivative here? X derivative will be 1. This will be simply 720. See, if you recognize something here, if you have any function, what was the highest derivative? Like what is the highest power of x? That will be 6. If you apply the differentiation 6 times, is it okay? Just every term will be vanished. Only you'll be getting a constant term. Are you getting my point? If I apply similarly, let me show you. Let us take a smallest example here. Let us assume we have y is equals to 2x3. So from this we can conclude that third derivative will be what? Some constant number we will be having. Agree? Check. Why? Because highest power is 3 na? Let me help you. Y dash will be 6x square. Y double dash will be second derivative 12x. Okay. Y triple dash, what it will be? This will be 12 alone. This is what the conclusion I can made. Is it okay? Yes. The same thing I'll be applying here. What I will do here is, so what is the first thing we are having? Okay, let me write the question. Y is equals to mc0 x square whole power m. This will be mc1 x square whole power m minus 1. This will be mc2 x square whole power m minus 2. Okay. So let me expand this for one more step. So yeah, y is equals to mc0. This will be x power 2m minus what it will be, mc1 x power multiply with 2m minus 2 plus mc2 x to the power 2m minus 4. Is it okay? Yes. So I think you may get it out, ma'am. You have taken one time, that's why it will be vanished. For suppose if I have, let me take a plus 3x square. Let us assume. Okay, then what it will be? See, we need to check about the highest power. Highest power is 6. So continue. What is the first derivative for this? So 6x. What is the second derivative? 6 times 1. What is the third derivative? Okay. Uh, I'm sorry. Unfortunately, okay, fine. Let us assume this you got 6x square, right? Okay. Let us assume this is x cube. Huh. If your y is x cube, its first derivative will be what? 3x square. Second derivative will be what? 6x plus. And what is the fourth derivative? Constant term 0. Again, fifth is also 0. Sixth is also 0. Nothing to worry about it. Whatever may be the function, we need to take the highest power. If you differentiate the highest power means if it is a n x power of n, if you do nth derivative, obviously you'll be getting a constant. Is it okay? So whatever may be some of the terms, we are not at all worrying about it. Is it okay? Yes, continue. So this is what the expansion we got. So what I can apply? I can say that here highest degree. Okay, degree of this expansion is what? Degree of this let us take an expression. Okay, is highest degree will be what? 2m. Some m is a natural number they have mentioned, right? So this is a 2m. Agree. So what they are telling, since it is highest degree is 2m, they are asking about what? 2mth differential equation means similarly sixth derivative it will be 0, right? In the same way. So they are asking about what? Hence we can say that 2mth differential equation will be what? Differential equation, if you want to find what it will be, all the terms will be vanished, only will be we will be having only first term. So hence 2mth differential equation, or what we can say differential expression. So we can say that rest all will be vanished. Rest all will be vanished. Are you getting my point? Yes, if you have a doubt, you just let me know. I already taught you how it will be vanished. Agree? So we need to apply the derivative for that. What is that? We are applying d by dx of how much? 2 power m the derivative. 2 power of m of your function y. Y. So let us do. So if you check this, what is the first derivative? See, mc0 will be as it is. It will be taken out. Agree? So let me give you d by dx of 2mth derivative x power 2m. What is y? Y is nothing but we are having x square minus 1 whole power of m, right? So this we can, oh sorry, yeah. This what we can do. First of all, mc0 here is there. So take mc0 as it is outside, okay? Yeah. If you apply for the first derivative, 2m will comes out. It will be 2m minus 1. Second derivative, 2m minus 1 will come out, and third derivative 2m minus 2 will come out. Similarly on up to where? Up to 1 you will be coming out. Is it okay? Yes. If you feel like, ma'am, I'm not getting how you got means, I'll help you. Just a second. Let us assume what we are having just to take the only this term. Are you getting my point? Because here we are having 2 power of m the differential, rest of the terms will be 0 if you differentiate. Is it okay? Let us consider y is equals to x power 2m. Okay, what is y dash? Y dash will be 2m. What is the formula? X power of n formula we are applying here. This is 2m into x power 2m minus 1. What is y dash? Y double dash? 2m will be outside, and power, that is 2m minus 1 is also outside. X power 2m minus 1 will be minus 2. What is y triple dash? 2m, and 2m minus 1 will be outside, and 2m minus 2 will be outside, and x power 2m minus 3. Are you getting my point? Yes. So how many times you're doing? Up to m, 2m times. Is it okay? 2m times means what? All the 2m will be comes out. So you'll be getting 2m into 2m minus 1 into 2m minus 2 and so on. Finally, what you'll be getting on so on up to 1 you'll be getting. Is it okay? So the same thing I am getting. So if you check this clearly, x power 6, first derivative it will become x power 5. Gradually power is decreasing. X cube, x3, x power square, x power 1. This will be x power 0 means 1 you will be getting. Is it okay? Highest power is 6. Sixth derivative will be 1. The same thing. Highest power is 2m. If you apply the y power of 2mth derivative, every x will be vanished. You will be getting this terms. Is it okay? That is what I have written. Is it fine? What is mc0? Again, if you want the formula for, we know that ncr. What is the formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Is it okay? We are talking about what? mc0. So let me apply that formula here. What is this? mc0 means m factorial by m minus 0 will be what? M minus 0 factorial into 0 factorial. Is it okay? So this will be m factorial by anything minus 0 will be what? Itself m factorial into 0 factorial. Yes. So can I cancel m factorial, m factorial? You can ask me, what is okay, wait, I'll ask you what is that 0 factorial. It will be 1 now, so this will be 1. So I can give you the what I can say, the small question, why 0 factorial will be 1. You just look into it, but in coming videos I'll be telling you how we'll be getting. Is it okay? You can make a comment section, comment here. Is it fine? So finally what we got, mc0 will be 1 here. So let me substitute here. So we got mc0, which is 1 into 2m into 2m minus 1 into 2m minus 2 into on so on up to where gradually it is decreasing up to 1 here. Is it okay? What we are doing, we are differentiating how many times, 2m power times of a function. What is that? X square minus 1 whole power of m. Is it okay? By x power 2m. Is it okay? So if you look into this is 2m into gradually it is decreasing up. So if you want to apply something, let me help you with that also. Let me show here. This is the rough work. Okay. See, what is the meaning of n factorial? That is nothing but first an n term, reduce 1 from that, reduce again, n minus 2, n minus 3, on so on up to where up to 1 we can take. Is it okay? Like how can I do 6 factorial? First 6, reduce 1, that is 5, reduce 1, that is 4. Obviously what you'll be doing, factorial itself says that you'll be reducing up to 1. The same thing here, 2m is the largest number. If you remove 1 from that, this is the 1. If you remove 1 from that, it will become m minus 2. It will be, if you gradually decrease 1 1 1, finally this is what. So whatever we are having, 2m into 2m minus 1 into 2m minus 2 into on so on up to gradual 1. This is simply nothing but what? It is in the form of a 2m whole factorial. Is it okay? Because it's a formula for an n factorial. Is it fine? You can note it down. There are few more terms. 0 factorial will be always 1. 1 factorial is also 1. Is it fine? Yes. Try to look into it. If you have any doubts, you just let me know. Is it okay? Yes, I think I am done with this. What is the final answer? Um, Find the 2mth differential coefficient of y function. You need to find out where n is a natural number. This is the value. Is it okay? Answer will be 2m whole differential, sorry, what is it, factorial. Is it okay? Yeah. Thank you. All the best. I'm so sorry.